In my last video, I showed how to add positions in the early stage of a trend. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add position in the middle or even in the later of the trend. So the basic is the same thing, that the setup should still hold. And then the second is the trend strength should stay or enhanced. Here is the same example. It goes up, breaking out, and then pulls back, so you can enter at the pullback. And then after that, you can see the 3 consecutive bull bars as the leg up, and then here comes a bear bar as the pullback as well. So at that point, if you're expecting there will be a third leg up, and then when you see this bull bar, which can serve as a signal bar, so you need to add up your position and then trade accordingly. If you add up your position in the middle of a trend, so most likely you need to scalp rather than swing. Definitely you can swing, but the probability of getting high enough for the trend is low. So you have to make a decision by yourself. Also, you can treat the newly added position as a separate trade, or you can combine with your previous position entered at the pullback. Really depends on how the market looks like. If you believe that this is the third leg up and then you want to scalp for a quick profit, you need to treat it like a separate trade. But if you want to combine with your position previously, so you want to swing together, and then you can do the swing, but you need to set your profit target here. So that means if the market didn't go for a third leg and then it goes down, you're gonna lose money than the previously entry here. In this chart, as the market goes on, you can see that there's another pullback. So at this point of time, you can see that the market is still very strong for the uptrend. So you can enter when you see this bull bar as the signal bar as well for a quick scalping. This is a valid entry because you can see the pullback is very shallow. One bear bar pullback, another bear bar pullback, and then continues with the bull bar. So if you scalp for another leg up, you're gonna make more profit here.